Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 22 of the Cougar Connection. In case you missed last week's edition, just a reminder that our Remind service has expired. So if you do need to reach Simons Middle School quickly through the day and you don't want to call, you can do so through Facebook Messenger. This week's student spotlight is Zach Paget. Zachary is well known throughout our school for his kind demeanor and comical personality. He is a Green Monkey team member and is very helpful to his teachers and is instrumental in the workings of the Cougar Hill Farm. As a student who participates in Cougar Hill Farm, he helped plant the orchard this past fall. He is both a hard worker in the classroom and at home. He never played football until this year, and he started on both the offensive and the defensive line for the SMS football Cougars. Congratulations, Zach. We're so proud of you and your Can Will Must attitude, and we can't wait to see what amazing things you are going to do in the future. Our staff spotlight for this week is Mr. Parker Gasbrock. Many of his students and former students would classify him as their favorite. Mr. Gasbrock is our gym teacher here at Simons Middle School, so he has a space that we use a lot for a lot of different purposes, and he is always incredibly flexible with his space, and he's also really flexible with his time. Mr. Gasbrock is one of those few teachers in our district who actually have their CDL to drive a school bus, so on a moment's notice, he will drive a bus for a field trip or for a sporting event, reward trip, you name it, and he's always very much willing to help out if he can. So thank you, Mr. Gasbrock, for all that you do for SMS, and keep up the good work. This week we do have quite a few activities going on. Everyone, I hope, has enjoyed their day off for Martin Luther King Jr. Day, but tomorrow we will get started with an admin team first thing in the morning at 9:30. We will also have a leadership team meeting after school at 3:15, and the aspiring administrator cohort is on the calendar by the district to meet from 4 to 5:30. We do have a boys basketball game at Nicholas County, and there is a board meeting at Central Office tomorrow night beginning at 6:30. On Wednesday, we do have students who are participants in the Beta Club. They are going to be leaving for their convention trip, and they will be gone Wednesday, Thursday, and come back on Friday of this week. The vertical team meetings will occur at Simons Middle School this week on Thursday. Teachers, there will be some more details coming out about that in your email. We will also have PLC Day on Thursday, and Amy Marvin is set to visit some of our 8th grade students during 5th and 6th period on Thursday. Boys basketball will be at home on Thursday versus East Carter. And on Friday, as always, it is Can Will Must T-shirt day. And we also want to take a moment and just shout out to everyone who helped get the spring semester off to a great start. I know we've had a lot of schedule changes, and thank you everyone for being very flexible. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have a great week.